Hi guys, today I'm going to be making my most requested dinner recipe. It's kind of new, but it's become very popular. And it's called Copycat Chipotle Chicken Bowls. So right here I have a food processor. I've got about 4 pounds of chicken breast, salt and pepper, oregano, chili powder, cumin, chipotle, adobo sauce, oil, 1 onion, and this is distilled vinegar. So I'm just going to add that all to the food processor and mix that all together. So I'm going to start with the distilled vinegar. And I just quartered the onions because they'll get chopped up in the food processor, so you don't have to spend a lot of time on that. Now the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of the chipotle sauce and 1 adobo pepper, or chili pepper and adobo sauce, but I'm just going to do 3 tablespoons of the sauce. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of chili powder. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Let's see, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Let's see, this is oregano. 1 teaspoon of oregano, and that's gonna give me a problem, so I'm just gonna go like this. Kind of hard doing this one-handed. I had intentionally had other plans, but the lighting is not right. So anyways, then I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin. 1, 2, and then I also have 4 tablespoons of oil, and I started using avocado oil, instead of olive oil because it's supposed to be healthier for you. Okay, so I've got 4 tablespoons of the oil. And then in this container, I've got minced garlic, and the recipe calls for 4 cloves, which is equal to 2 tablespoons, or I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons. Tablespoons would be a lot of garlic. Oh, geez. So then I'm just going to put the lid on my thing here. Hold on a minute. So I've got everything in my food processor, and I am just going to mix that until it's a liquid. Shouldn't take very long. So this is what it looks like. This is the marinade for the chicken. It's okay if it's a little bit lumpy. But so I am going to divide this into 2 big Ziploc bags, and then put half of this in one and half in the other, and then just marinate that for a couple hours. So I've got my chicken divided up into 2 gallon-size Ziploc bags, and I'm just gonna marinate those for a minimum of 2 hours. The recipe says you can do it overnight, but I don't think they need to marinate that long. So we're gonna do about 4 hours, and I like to slice my chicken breast in half lengthwise because I think they're easier to grill and they get done sooner. So that's what I did. I also wanted to share with you a really yummy recipe for a hot corn dip that I like to serve alongside the chipotle chicken bowls. And right here I've got a cup of mayo in a bowl, And I'm just gonna add a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cans of Mexican corn, drained, and then right here I've got an 8-ounce block of pepper jack cheese. You can use the pre-shredded stuff, but I just think when you're making a dip, I like to shred the cheese because I think the cheese gets creamier. So we're just gonna mix all that together. Okay, so I've got all the ingredients mixed together and I put that in an 8x8 pan, and that's gonna go in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Also, I kind of messed up a little bit and I mixed all the cheese in. You're supposed to save half of the pepper jack and sprinkle that on top, but it's gonna be fine. It'll still be good. So this is what the chicken looks like after it's been marinating for a couple hours before it goes on the grill. So the marinade really sticks to the chicken. This is what it looks like when it comes off the grill. So this is how I serve the Copycat chipotle chicken bowls. I've got some rice right here. This is the chicken. And the toppings are, this is a Southwest dip, really good. Sour cream, cheese, black beans, corn, tomatoes, and avocado. Hot sauce, you could do salsa too. And this is the corn dip. Super yummy.